Hello, everybody. Mini VMAC here with. Today, we are continuing Blonde Rating Night episode 7. It's been a while since we actually posted anything about this. No, it is not dead. It's because we were too busy on other things. And John has uploaded a lot of other videos lately, so if you go look at his channel. Today, we're going to suffer ourselves with Blood Rain Night like usual. Oh no.
I'm gonna get an egg roll real quick.
Oh, fuck. Well, this is gonna get really kinky. I hope you guys are ready. Alright, John, are we ready? John? Yeah.
Rolls. Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. Oh god, that's pretty loud.
Did you succeed in assassinating Inuyasha?
Yes, master.
Okay, we start off with this guy again. You know what? What's wrong with his abs? What's wrong with his pecs?
You're not gonna question his eyes or his mouth or his jawline or his face
that
shape.
chin.
No, you're gonna question his abs. That's what you're most concerned about.
Well,
Not the little tiny heart that's on the carpet. Not
well, you know
not
about that one
why
too?
his hairline is like that, or why the fireplace is like that, or what's wrong with the close-up of like the chick.
What's wrong with her boob?
Oh, fucking am I supposed to know?
Oh, it's saggy.
Perfect. My beauty.
What happened to his mouth? It just utterly disappeared. It's just a black pixel.
You are a true asset.
Oh god.
Especially in the day is because it's really thick.
Core.
Wow. What's wrong with her eye?
You know what I want to do to you?
No, I don't know what you want to do to me. Damn.
Swiggity, swiggity. I'm coming for that booty.
Huh.
What? What?
This looks like a shitty Twilight film.
Oh.
Oh.
What's with the zoom up?
But now it's a go out. I'm up with the fucker.
Hey, little baby, let me whisper in your ear. Something that you like to hear. Your mom's a cunt.
It's free real estate. Look how deep my look at my blue eyes.
My blue eyes.
My blue eyes. Oh shit.
Open your silky mocha thighs.
Just add a
Bitch.
little. No. You just like add a little echo on it, and then it acting cuts to. It cuts to that fucking video.
My blue eyes. Oh.
You want?
What the?
Jenkins. That is not thick. That is just no. You looks like a chair. That is not thick.
No, that's poorly drawn.
How
Wait,
is her back able to hold
Wait
her
a minute.
ass?
Wait a minute. Where is it? It's just gone now.
Wait, you're not gonna... No. Go back for a second. Go back for a fucking second. Why the fuck is she wearing completely different clothes in this scene, and the next scene she's like wearing another pair of clothes?
Don't you? Wait a minute.
I don't know.
I know how kinky you like it.
Sorry,
Why
George.
are you talking to a statue?
No!
Oh.
No, please don't! No! No! No!
It has a face still.
No. Fucking pause it. Man.
It has a kill me face.
God.
Sorry, George.
No. You should pause the video then, and then it just like plays this causes speech while it's like slowly zooming in on that face.
Oh yeah.
I know how kinky you like it.
Okay.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg, and my arm, even my fingers. The body I've lost. The comrades I've lost. Won't stop hurting. It's like they're all still there. You feel it too, don't you? I'm gonna make them give back our past.
Sorry, George.
Good.
What the fuck? Hold on. What was that face?
No, and I don't want to know.
Okay. A woo, what's that?
Oh, jeez.
Uh,
Oh, you think I'm gonna shove this inside me? Well, you're dead wrong. Now bend over.
that's exactly what's gonna happen, by the way.
There's no woo this time, mister.
Good. The rock is a little harsh, isn't it?
The rug is harsh?
Doesn't even make any sense.
Come on, demon boy. Don't worry about me now.
Alright.
Wow, face of determination. And no nose.
The white version of Tiger Woods. He just doesn't give a shit about. He just doesn't give a shit about his partner.
I've already finished this.
Let's get it on.
Oh wait, just
What's the deal with bananas?
I didn't know you were a furry.
I didn't know you were.
I could go down mine.
How could you? The fox? Really?
Doggy style.
He said doggy style.
We raised you to be in the wolf family. Now
He
say
said
it.
doggy style. I'm done. God.
I just. No. Why?
That sounds like someone's getting attacked. It sounds like she's getting clawed to death. Yeah, basically. That doesn't sound sexy. That sounds like moderation.
Play.
Is Cora getting mauled?
Top 10 times when hit time went too far.
Yeah. Oh, okay, they're cracking the whip. What the? Oh, that's just an eye. Now you're a father to a bunch of pups. You didn't pull out fast enough. No, you're paying for child support.
I'm paying no for girl goddamn child support.
It's like you just see him.
I'll get the abortion ready.
No, not the hanger.
Get the
Get the hanger.
Get the shirt hanger.
Give me a flare. I'll shove one inside me and light it.
Don't worry, we'll use the baseball bat. Big me out. Oh.
I'll make sure I land on my stomach. Excuse me? John, can you explain this to me?
All I know
His nipple is blue.
Child support. Oh.
His nipple is blue.
One tastes like strawberry, the other tastes like blueberry. Pick your side, bitch.
Oh, you were so
Oh,
good
blush
to
or
me.
crisp? Why not both? See this? Yeah, make my right nipple go flash like a fucking disco.
I know.
Yes, I was.
Take your phone to it.
Show me.
Bluetooth.
Do you love me? Could you ever love me?
yeah, the red.
She said, "Do you love me?" I said, "No, I don't."
She said, "Do you love me?" I told her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry.
I only love my hentai in my bed.
She said, "Do you love me?" I told her only partly. I only love my hand and my hentai. I'm sorry.
A bad sport is a good sport.
She said,
Of course I do.
No, you don't.
"So stupid.
What?
What the fuck
What
are
is
you watching?"
with that?
Ah, the fucking bird. It feels nice having jizz all over my eyes.
No, it's like he's completely out of it. It's like,
Yo, man, this chocolate person is talking to. Actually, okay, now that I say that out loud, that sounds extremely racist.
I know those cost too much.
is pee stored in the balls?
Where do babies come from?
Ugh. Yeah, it's like he just thinks that while she's talking.
Oh, yo. Babe, are you gonna stay with me?
I've loved you the
is
most
sand called sand
ever.
between sea and land?
That's what he told her anyway. He really wanted her for sex and
How the fuck did
He
I
really
get this
want-
moon tattoo on my forehead? What's these little purple
He-
lines for?
He really just wanted her for sex. Sounds realistic because most people
Sounds
are like
awfully
that.
realistic, huh? Oh no, I'm only dating you for your body.
That's actually pretty realistic. It's like that stuff does happen.
It's fucked up. It's actually fucked up. True.
I only date.
I don't care about your
Younger
personality. I only like your body.
If you get old, I'm leaving you and going for another
You know,
younger
if your-
person.
If your tits start to sag, I'm dumping you.
It's like she's using what was
Those
it?
tits better be real, bitch. 'Cause if I find out they're fake, I'll go fucking Magneto out on your ass and fucking and pull those implants right out of your flesh.
What? Is she getting filled with steel?
No, because like I think like some implants like actually have like little actual metal in them.
I heard it was just balloons. If you pop them, they should just deflate.
Oh God, dude, that is not good. Can you imagine? For a minute, you're like, oh man, they're so squishy, and then you hear a pop. It's like pop. It's like, what the fuck was that? And then like the blue, and then the tape starts going. It's like. It's straight down.
It's like you see it slowly sagging. It's like, what is this?
Yeah, you like make the sound like when balloons make. When they like the air comes out. It's like.
It's filled with an actual liquid, though. But if it was filled with air, you would be dead if that thing popped.
No, like, can you imagine? You just like it's like pop, and then you just hear it, and you're just like, ah!
No, if one pops, but one stays flated.
No, one. No, like one just like one that's not pop. It's just like accidentally like goes into a middle, so it kind of looks like she has a.
It's like, wow, nice third of boob. Oh.
Yeah. Why do dudes have nipples?
But you made love to Kagome too.
Shut up, saggy bitch.
Hey, isn't that the chick that fought
Oh
him
man, my
before?
nipples are getting hard. Just thinking
No.
about her excites me.
No. John, isn't that the person who fought him? That was with Inuyasha.
Yes. Yes. Wait,
So,
she's a high school girl.
yeah, exactly.
If I could go for some little vanilla.
I could go for some teen pussy.
I'm in the mood for some underage pussy!
Like vanilla. She was just a one-time fun time.
Hey, look,
Oh,
no
wait,
hands!
he even said, well, I do like vanilla.
What?
You
Oh,
called
nothing.
it.
I'm just thinking about ice cream. It's fine, it's fine. Go to sleep, honey.
He said it was only a one-time thing.
Dude,
Just-
he should have just said, "Oh, I'm just thinking about ice cream."
Yeah.
That would have been. That would have been a good excuse. Like, there is nothing thinking about that. It's like you do like vanilla, huh? Oh, I'm just thinking about a white chick.
Is it just me? But he has one peck and one boob.
No, he's got some really fucked up pecs, man. Wait, is he like? Does he have like one like peck and one man tit? Yeah, I've been
Yes.
cutting my workout in half, and by that I mean literally.
Should say more of a quarter because he has abs and a peck, but he has one boob.
No, like half of his body looks fucking ripped, and the other half looks so chubby.
Oh dear God!
Slain.
Even though her breasts are much bigger, not as lovely as yours is what I mean.
That bitch!
Oh no!
Oh, Jesus
He's up.
Christ! Did you just have a snake tongue?
She had a snake tongue.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You know what
Go-
this means.
Go put it very slowly. You'll see she has a snake tongue.
Hold on, I think I can slow down. No. Wait, yes I can. I can slow down on here. Okay. What?
No.
Too bad it slows down the audio too.
Even though her breasts are much bigger,
God, it sounds so
I-
bad when it was
Well-
slowed down.
not as lovely as yours is what I mean.
right there. What the fuck?
I don't understand.
I was gonna use this fun to suck your dick, man, but now you just ruined it.
No wonder I felt something up my ass. That was really long. I almost thought you had a dick. It was actually your tongue. Tickle my,
Oh God!
tickle my prostate.
This is prostate exam.
I thought this was a prostate exam.
Yeah. Wait a minute. This isn't tennis. This is anal sex.
Oh, what's wrong with
The
your
old
hands?
switcheroo.
Okay, let's continue.
That bitch! I'll kill her!
Wait, Core, my Mocha Dumpling, come back!
Oh my God!
What?
Come back!
Spooky.
She just played that sound while like she's going.
It sounds like she's being. It looks like she's being dragged.
Oh my God, baby! Help! Help! Like door closes and then like blood comes out and it's like Ta-da-da! What's that fucking horror? What's that sound you always play? You know, like when it's a horror game.
I don't know.
Ta-da-da!
Oh, that.
Is that the sound?
I think so.
Play it.
I don't have it. What's wrong with her hands? This looks like a claw.
What the fuck is wrong
And
with her hair? She was like Medusa.
What's wrong with that
What a
stick up a neck?
Babe, when is your tits? What happened to your tits? What happened to your neck? You look like a Barbie doll.
Exactly.
It's like one of those action figures. You can you know the head is gonna easily fall off.
Yeah.
Like, you can tell the neck. You know, it's like it looks like a bobblehead.
Okay, let's continue. Alucard's like, oh wow.
Whoa, you can turn it. Wow, that's a lot of piss on his bed. Jeez, it's like a little bath or something. You can see his legs. Wait, he has no dick. Why is this? What the fuck is wrong with? Jeez.
I'll turn
He looks like a potato.
That's rather fucked up. Oh, since
Hi, welcome to Chili's.
What's with his face?
Huh, I used to be a badass demon hunt. I used to be a badass vampire hunter. Now I'm
Now
just
I-
stalking children. What happened to the old days?
I don't know.
say hello there. What are you doing?
I dropped my quarter over here. See? Bye.
Are you getting
Oh,
sassy
God.
with me? Are you getting sassy
Bitch,
with me?
get over here. I'm gonna show
That's
you
exactly what
your
your
real.
ex is like.
I'm gonna show you who
He's
the
like,
real top one is. Get over here, bitch.
Bye.
Bye. Writes a note.
Has massive balls.
Right here in Harming, and there's
Dick.
something special
Dick
about
length.
it.
Infinity.
Oh, Rachel is having a baby, and there's something special about it.
Didn't this guy try to kill her?
Yeah.
What the fuck is he telling him she has a baby?
I don't know.
He'll soon find out.
Great.
Are you trying to play a variation of Hellsing Ultimate? No, Hellsing, sorry, not Ultimate. Here, let me play it.
No, that's
Let me play
Ultimate
the
Space Base
real.
Season 2.
Let me play the real version. Okay, I got the real one. I'm gonna play the one they're using here, and then this one. This one first.
Playing both at the same time.
No, you don't match. Twice. Okay, then we have this version.
Why don't you use your phone?
Actually, no, that is from the soundtrack. Never mind.
Haha, needlessly funny. I love laying down.
She looks like she's
I shouldn't have
stoned.
ate that much chili.
She looks like she's stoned.
Oh man.
Why is her why is her right boob smaller
The
than
baby
her
just
left
comes
boob?
out of her stomach like an alien. It's like, it's like, ah! Starts devouring her own mother.
Yeah.
So you get free cards, kid. Steal one.
What's the deal of the So guys, we had the biggest shit today.
Okay, it didn't
Like,
work
so
like the way I
big.
wanted it to. It didn't work, but yeah. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.